Hey guys, Tina here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the do's and don'ts of microneedling. Here's the thing, microneedling works. So wherever you got it from, know that it really works. Some needles are a little bit more irritating to the skin, which I'm not a fan of. I just think that there's no need to really irritate the skin. You can still get your skin to produce collagen without irritating it, without breaking any capillaries. That's why it took us so long to find our needle, because we knew that we wanted to sell it to anyone and everyone and not have a problem with it. And we haven't had one problem with it. But the key is to also educate the audience, the consumers, so you guys know exactly what to do at home. So step one, cleanse your skin. You can cleanse it with whatever cleanser you have. Wash your face, remove it with a wet washcloth. Step two, if you have the vitamin D serum, use it, because this is great to push vitamin D straight into the skin cells. Why? Because if you ingest vitamin D, it's fantastic because we need it. We don't want to be vitamin D deficient because it causes other issues. But when you push it straight into the skin cells, the skin's the first organ to get it, and you'll notice that your skin's going to be less inflamed, tighter, more hydrated, and more balanced. So apply this on right after you wash your face. What I tell people is use like a third of a pipette. So you want to do that, you want to apply all over your face, neck, and your chest. A lot of times I say wet your hands with a little bit of water. Water makes the product absorb so much better. So a little bit of water, apply it all over your face, then take your roller. Now here's the thing, all rollers are a little different from one another. So if you start doing this and you feel like this is really irritating me, you're probably pushing down too hard. There's no need to push down. You just want to glide, make it easy, make it simple. Just glide under your eyes, look at yourself in the mirror so you know exactly what you're doing. You want to get the gels, you want to go over your lips, you want to get the marionettes. So direction, when it comes to what direction to go, honestly doesn't matter. We've been doing this now for years. It does not matter what direction you go. What matters is how hard you're pushing down. You do not push down on the needles. Again, you glide. That's the second thing. Now, what do you do after you've been gliding your face with microneedle? My suggestion, get yourself some rubbing alcohol. This is the best thing to do. You don't have to do this every single time, but at least do it after every 2 or 3 times you've been using your roller. Spritz the needle and set it somewhere to dry. So spritz, set it to dry, put it back into, usually they come with a jewel case. Put it back in the jewel case. And then, I promise you, out of sight, out of mind. You've got to leave it somewhere that you're going to see this regularly and you're going to use it. Otherwise, you're going to put it in a drawer, and I bet somewhere in your drawer right now, so take it out. And you want to start using this because you're not going to see any results unless you're rolling. And you're not going to roll unless it's right there, because we're all too busy. And by the time nighttime comes, we're just too tired. So it's like, if it's not there, ours sits right next to the toothbrush. And it's funny because my husband, he never was into skincare ever. And now he rolls his skin every day. And you would think that that's bad, but it's not. It's helped his skin tremendously. You can't go wrong with it, again, if you're not pushing down and irritating the skin. All you're doing is waking the skin up. The skin's producing collagen. The skin's remaining tight. You're pushing in good ingredients, whether it's your vitamin D, vitamin C. A serum is what you want to push in. You don't want to push a cream. The molecule size of a cream is too large. You do not want to push creams into the skin. Serums, molecularly, are smaller. Perfection. Apply, roll, then put your either cream Neosporin or hydrocortisone or nothing. If you're a pro and you've been doing this so much, you don't need to put anything. But if you're new to the game, get a little bit of cream Neosporin, get a little bit of hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone's great because it stops the itchiness. Because then you're like, oh, I feel like there's stuff on my face that's itchy and I want to scratch it. That's normal. That means it's working, and That's the beauty of having a good roller, is you want it to constantly wake up your skin. You're not going to see results without feeling anything. So, you know, sometimes it's a little uncomfortable and it's weird. It's a weird sensation. It's not like, oh my God, it feels great. Although if you've been doing it for a while, it kind of does feel great. It feels great to me. I love the way it feels. So please get out there and do it. Get it from wherever. I mean, listen, we love our roller. We have had no issues with our roller. But if you have a roller, use it. If you don't have one, get one. And it's the most anti-aging tool out there right now that's ultra safe to use. And don't share your needles with anyone. That's really important. The issue that people are having is, you know, this is a global product. This isn't just here in the States. This came to us last. It was everywhere else before. As a matter of fact, one of my friends from London came over years ago and said, "Why are you not carrying this?" And I thought, what are you talking about? Of course, I ran out and found one, and then I started playing around with it, and I was like, oh my God, this tool really works. It's incredible. But we just made it wider, so you can do it on your arms, do it on the skin right here, do it on the butt, do it on the tummy. You can do it anywhere. And then our needles, again, we've had really good results with the needles. They're titanium and they work really well. So, you know, check it out. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us. We love educating. And it's not just about our brand. It's really not. I know that, look, we have our own products and whatnot, but it's really about you using whatever tool it is at home. If you can only get a particular tool that you can find somewhere local that's less money, whatever it is, at least you can use it and we can guide you. And once you kind of believe in it and you're like, okay, I'm starting to see the difference, you can always upgrade. So start from wherever you start, but please start. I can't tell you enough. It's a game changer. So also another thing that I want to share with you guys that we are launching that's really, really cool. And it's kind of a top secret, but it's a tool that's going to come with your microneedle. So you're going to get 2 tools for the price of one. And it's cool because the first tool, you're going to be able to exfoliate your skin first. Why? Because the needles will be able to penetrate so much better once all the dead skin's gone. So the first tool will be slough away the dead layers. The second tool will be the microneedle, and it's a 2-in-1 product. So stay tuned and you will see that pop up sometime soon. Okay? All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.